Welcome to a full, in-depth Miu Iruma makeup tutorial. No eyelashes because I have no eyelash glue as I'm recording. So, off camera, I primed my face and my eyes and applied concealer. So now I'm just putting on infallible L'Oreal, I think it's L'Oreal foundation.
No slipping up if you slip away. So I've got nothing to share. No, I've got nothing to say.
Now I am sealing the makeup with CoverGirl pressing powder.
Step out of the sun because you've learned. On the outside, always looking in, will I ever be more than...
So now I'm taking a hot pink eyeshadow and blending it into my crease and outer corner.
But nobody can hear, so I went around for an answer to appear while I'm watching people pass. I'm waving through a window. Can anybody see?
Now I'm taking a dark purple or a medium purple and putting it into my crease. To get those anime eyes, you'll want to use a warm brown on your bottom eyelids. And now, what I like to do with eyeliner is you could Google image the character and try to replicate their eye shape. So that's what I do with eyeliner. So I do a little bit of a cat eye, not much. Just a really small wing. And now I'm using, I think it's L'Oreal mascara, and I'm about to do my bottom eyelids as well, because something I noticed playing Danganronpa is that a majority of the female characters have visible bottom eyelashes. Now take this peach color that I'm pointing at and use it as blush. You want it a little heavy, but not too heavy that it looks like a sunburn. So as you see what I did right there, I what's the word I'm looking for? Wipe it off. That's the word, wipe. Now for the lips, I'm using Revlon pink lipstick, and I'm purposely applying my top lip over my Cupid's bow. Blend it out a little with your fingers, and you are done. This is how I do my Miu Iruma makeup.